Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use bubble font in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser and go to Canva. Log into your account and then open the project you want to edit. Once your project is ready, look at the menu on the left side and click on the Elements tab. Inside the Elements tab, type Bubble Fonts in the search bar. Canva will then show you different options under the Graphics section. Browse through the results and pick the bubble letters that you like. Next, drag and drop the chosen letters onto your project. You can place them one by one to create words or even full sentences. Once the letters are on your design, you can adjust their size, position, and color to match your style. This method gives you a creative way to add bubble-style text, even though Canva doesn't have a direct bubble font option in the text menu. By combining letters from the Elements tab, you can create unique designs for posters, social media posts, or any creative project. So that's basically how you can use bubble font in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.